Greetings everyone, Jake Bernstein from 2Chimps.net. Today we're going to look at the metals and mining stocks, and we're going to look at the price of gold. So right now I'm bringing up a chart for you on gold with our indicators. This is the divergence indicator, and we did get a bullish divergence by trigger. Let me show that to you. When we made a new low in price, and this is gold futures February, right over here, we did not make a new low in MACD. We did not make a new low in momentum. But we require at least 6 consecutive bars in order to trigger a momentum divergence. Let me show you what I mean. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the insufficient number of bars for a momentum divergence. However, MACD divergence did give us a setup and a trigger. That trigger occurred right over here. Therefore, we would not be surprised to see somewhat of a rally in gold pre-Christmas, but we don't believe that the gold market has made its final low of this cyclical pattern as yet. Similar behavior in silver, and of course we've liked the copper for a long time, but we have advised you repeatedly, wait for timing triggers. Copper tends to be bullish at this time of the year. This is the copper market right now. No divergence, nothing to be done here. We also like Freeport-McMoRan, but remember what we've been saying. Wait for buy triggers. We realize it sounds like a broken record, but it's the smartest thing you can do right now. They're great buying opportunities, but they haven't developed as yet. Let me bring up the Freeport-McMoRan chart again. That would be right over here. We've already put in the divergence points for you, and you can see new low in price without a new low in momentum, new low in price without a new low in MACD. We're waiting for a trigger here. It could happen at any time now. Market sentiment on the metals is extremely low. That's one of the necessary ingredients for a rally. Now, one of the things we want to share with you is this. We're going to bring up the long-term chart on copper futures. We're going to show you commercial activity. This is copper futures, long-term chart. Let me go to a quarterly where you can see it a lot better. Here are the cycles in copper. This is the last cyclical low right over here. And this is the anticipated cyclical low right over here. In green, we have heavy commercial buying, which has been going on for almost 2 years now. Small trader selling and small trader negative sentiment. This cyclical low in copper could come at any time now, so be prepared. So, precious metals, don't jump the gun. We like them, but we're waiting for triggers. These would be investment type trades. Thanks for being here. We'll talk to you again next week. Jake Bernstein signing off for 2Chimps.net.